Unlock the power of seamless data management by synchronizing your Google Sheets with Zapier. And let's dive into how you can automate your workflows right now. Imagine your Google Sheet as a central hub for important information today. We'll connect it to Zapier to automate tasks like backing up this data, ensuring consistency across platforms, and even triggering actions whenever a change happens in your spreadsheet first. Log into your Zapier account if you don't have one. You can sign up for free once logged in. Click on the Create Zap button in the top left corner of your dashboard. Zapier will prompt you to choose a trigger app in the search bar. Type Google Sheets and select it from the list. Next, select your trigger event for this tutorial. We'll choose New Spreadsheet Row, which means Zapier will watch for new entries in your Google Sheet. Click Continue. Now you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account. Click Sign In and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Google Sheets. Once connected, you'll see your account listed. Click Continue. In the next step, you'll select the specific Google Sheet you want to use. Choose your spreadsheet from the drop-down menu, and then select the worksheet within that spreadsheet. Zapier will then ask you to select a sample row to test your connection. Zapier will use this sample to understand the data structure of your sheet. Click Continue. Now that your Google Sheet is set up as a trigger, it's time to define what happens next. This is your action step. Click the plus icon to add an action. For example, let's set up an automated backup to another service, like Evernote. Search for and select Evernote as your action app. For the action event, let's choose Create Note. This will create a new note in Evernote using the data from your Google Sheet. Click Continue. Connect your Evernote account by signing in and authorizing Zapier. Once connected, you can map the fields from your Google Sheet to the fields in your Evernote note. For instance, you can map a task name column from your sheet to the title of your Evernote note, and a details column to the content of the note. This is where you customize your automated workflow once you've mapped your desired fields. Click Continue. Finally, test your Zap. Click Test and Continue. Zapier will create a note in Evernote based on the sample data from your Google Sheet. If everything looks good, click Publish Zap to turn on your automation. Congratulations! You've just synchronized your Google Sheets to Zapier, automating your data and empowering seamless management.